Hey fam, I have a quick unboxing video to do. Sitting here in my pajamas. It's like 3 in the morning and I figured I'd wait until now to do the unboxing. So the first thing I have is windbreaker. This is my SexyNerdz Space Girl windbreaker. It's got a hood. It's got a mesh lining. Let's see. Got the tag on it. It's a cropped one. But I got a medium, so it should still be good. And I'll put them on later so you'll be able to see in the video. But I just wanted to do the unboxing. This is my sneakers. And I think you've seen my other SexyNerdz sneakers, my Face Girl sneakers. I apologize for my voice. I think I have a cold with my allergies. Okay, so this is the other SexyNerdz sneakers. It's got the logo on the side. And let's see. Yeah. So I'll put them on later. Just wanted to show you. And I'll get dressed up and do another video. Bye.